If you're watching this anywhere, you're not alone.
Did you know that JSON prompts work incredibly well in Seedance 2.0? Well, today I'm going to give you an amazing prompt generator that does all the work for you.
Wait, what?
This prompt generator is going to give you 5 amazing JSON structured prompts. Now, this prompt is in my AI video prompts database. I've been adding more and more prompts to this every single day. It's going to contain not only prompts, but camera cinematography, camera lenses, and those priceless video meta tokens. For this one, we're going to go to the prompt generator section. This is going to be the MVP of prompting. Prompt generators are system prompts, meta prompts, prompts that generate prompts.
I don't know what it is, Eric.
I don't either, but we need to run.
Wait, why are we stopping, Eric?
I have to let that thing know that the Let's AI School community just launched. There's nothing better.
Are you serious, Eric? Okay, the link is in the description. Now let's go!
However, any prompts I share in any YouTube video are always available 100% free via the link in the description. But let's go ahead and open it up right here. Here is the full prompt. We're gonna go ahead and copy the whole thing in just like this. Now with that whole prompt copied, the first thing we'll do is head over here into ChatGPT. You can use any LLM. Today I'll be using this. Paste the whole thing in just like this. Now instantly, just hit submit. Once you go ahead and do that, you're gonna be asked 2 questions. Would you like to 1, provide your own subject, or 2, receive 10 unique viral style Seedance video ideas? Reply with either my subject or 10 ideas. The first thing I'll do, I'll just give it a quick idea. A woman riding an elephant through Times Square, New York City. Instantly, look at this. We're gonna get not 1, not 2, not 3, but 5 amazing JSON style prompts. Okay, now I did a special look into this. Each one is going to contain that perfect style of Seedance prompt that we want. Okay, we're going to go and scroll through this. We get the environment. Then as I scroll, you can see we're going to get the full timeline. So for the first 3 seconds, we're going to have a wide overhead drone style reveal. Okay, scroll over. Second shot, again, this is multi-shot, a slow tracking shot showcasing graceful elephant movement. Let's go ahead and copy one of these and quickly test this out. Now to do this, we're going to head over here into my favorite tool. We're going to be in Magnific, formerly known as Free Pick. All right. On the left-hand side, we're going to go with Seedance 2.0 fast. Why not just go with 2.0? All right. Now there is the full prompt, that full JSON prompt over there on the left-hand side. Let's change things up a bit and make it 1080p. We'll make this 15 seconds. Everything else looks good to go. Now let's go ahead and generate this one. Now let me show you how amazing some of these unique ideas are. Copy that prompt again. We're going to open up a brand new chat. Paste this in real time. There it is. Now this time, instead of providing a subject, we want to say just number 2. Give me 10 unique viral style ideas. And now just like that, we're going to get these ideas. These aren't the whole actual prompts. We first need to select one. So let's go through a few of these. You can definitely see we get some really good unique style ones. The Last Human live stream, riding a dragon through modern New York. Okay, frozen time, moving camera. These are all really, really unique. Look at these, really good. So if I don't want just one, I'm going to go ahead and say I want multiple ones. Let's go ahead and do just that. Copy this one, head back over into Magnific, and now generate this one. There we go. Come back over into ChatGPT and let's go ahead and select our other one right here. So I'll just say now do number 7, just like that. Now do number 7, and I should get the same thing, but now with that woman, there it is in 5 different dimensions. So again, what we're gonna go ahead and do is the same thing we've been doing. Copy and paste and generate this in your favorite tool. I like Magnific. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And remember, check the links in the description because I'll be sharing that prompt generator via the link.
I joined Let's AI on School, daily prompt drops, live calls, and my videos finally look pro.
I'm a midnight rider. Riding through the fire. Chrome on the dash, got a cold blue shine. Your goodbye sits heavy on the passenger side. how to wear a bruise like a silk coat when the world gets loud.
We're not in Texas anymore, Eric.